Hi, I'm Emerson Smith from Face TV, reporting on the latest innovations from the New Zealand marketplace. This week, we were at the Auckland Boatshow. We stopped in to see Nick Fogarty from Electronic Navigation, and he showed us the WASSP Multibeam Sonar.
Alright, so I'm Nick from Electronic Navigation. We've been in operation since 1945. We're New Zealand's largest marine electronics distributor. We distribute Furino equipment, and we also manufacture our WASSP Multibeam Sonar, which we'll just run through you today. So WASSP is a multi-beam sonar. What we're looking at here is our coverage of our sounder. It looks down in a fan shape at 120 degrees. So what you're actually seeing here is the seafloor, and these are the fish sitting up off the seafloor. So you can very easily see where in the water column the fish actually are. So we take that data and we can turn that into up to 5 different sounder beams. So this sounder is looking down the port side of the boat, this is looking down the centre, and this is looking down the starboard side. We can then also take that, and I can go to my cube mode here. So this is a 3D view, and what we're actually doing is creating a 3D map as we're driving along. And you can see the resolution is quite amazing. I'll just go to the fishing page here. So out of one pass, I'm mapping 3 times wide what my depth is, and we can map up to, depending on the model, up to 1,000 metres deep. So here we are here in about 20 metres of water, and we're looking at about 60 metres of the seafloor. So you can see from 4 or 5 passes, I've very accurately mapped out what's on the seafloor, and I can see the rocks and everything down there, down to a 1/4 metre resolution. So that's all made and developed and designed by us here in Auckland and Wairau Valley. So here we are showing all the different modes and different views we can see. So you can see we've just gone over a school of fish, and you can actually map where they are in the water column and see our height and count of the actual fish targets there. There's some fish sitting up off the seafloor. This is them on the sounder. So you can see which side of the boat they were actually on. And then we have here our side scan view as well. So you can actually see in very high resolution what the structure is and the composition is of the bottom and where the fish targets are. And the big difference with what else is out there on the market is this will work down really deep. So we've got 2 models. One will go down to 300 metres straight down, and the other one will go to 500 or 600 metres plus, depending on your water quality. So real serious fishing, sports fishing, commercial fishing. We're doing a lot of cray boats, breaking in new areas and finding out where fish are and where they're holding on structure and that sort of thing. So a very, very powerful tool.
Thank you, Nick, for showing us the WASSP Multibeam Sonar. This is Emerson Smith from Face TV, reporting on the latest innovations from the New Zealand marketplace.